I have what could be considered an irrational fear of tires exploding when I air them up, especially bigger tires like this one. So I worked out a way that I can air them up and be some distance away. I don't have to squat down next to the tire anymore. In this case, my hose is about 20 feet long. It's really easy to set up. Let me show you how I did it. What you'll need for this job is just a standard tire inflator. But instead of hooking the chuck directly, this is the chuck. Instead of hooking the air chuck directly to the hose, put a quick connect in between. So really you need a female and a male quick connect piece to make this thing work, and then an air hose of a size that is good for you. Let's take the female end of an air hose, put the air chuck in that, the male end into the tire inflator, and then string out your hose to the thing that you're inflating. Today I'm inflating the tires on an old mower. Then of course hook up your air supply to the inflator. And I want 10 pounds in that rear tire, roughly. On a mower, I'm not too concerned about it. For most tires though, you want to, there we go. For most tires, you'll still want to check at the tire with a handheld pressure gauge to make sure you have the right pressure in there, because adding this length of hose in between the air inflator and its gauge and the tire, you could get a pressure reading on your gauge that is inaccurate for what's in the tire. One of the nice things about this method is if you want to use this without the hose in between, you still can. You just, pop the chuck into the inflator, and it's a standard tire inflator without an extension hose.